Hi guys and welcome to today's 3ds Max tutorial session. In the previous sessions we have seen about the geometries from the creation tab where you can create box, spheres, cylinders, any kind of 3D objects. But today we are going to see about shapes, which is actually a two-dimensional drawings. Let's start with creating a rectangle first so that you can get an idea what I'm talking about. Let's create a rectangle. Single click and a single click. Yep, and that does it. Now, this is done. Let's draw another one using the line. You can always check your parameters at the right hand side to increase or decrease the size of the rectangle. Let's start a line. Line is mostly used for tracing out the plans or the shapes whichever you've imported from the AutoCAD. We'll see into that in the later part as importing of CAD file. Now, if we want to make the rectangle into a 3D model object, we have to apply a modifier called extrude. So let's apply the modifier to it. Above the creation tab, you'll see something called a modifier. Yes, that is a list. In that modifier list, you have to select the option called extrude. But before that, make sure that you have selected the two-dimensional shape which you want to make it into a 3D object. Let's go back to the modifier. Let's give the option called extrude. I am sure most of you people have heard about these terms in all kinds of 3D modelings. Yes. Now, extrusion is given in terms of amount. The parameters changes and the amount can be increased as per your needs. Let's increase the amount, how much ever, as per your determination. Now it changed into a three-dimensional object. As simple as that. For people who thinks box is well and good enough, of course you can go along with this. But this technique is used to extrude a wall section. At the meantime, you can even change the type of view which you are looking at. The view which we are looking at right now is a wireframe. You can change it into shaded. You can give it with the edge faces so that you can see the edges of the box. That looks nice, isn't it? Or you can even give it as realistic. But remember people, the realistic effect will always take effect only when the light is being implemented on it. But I don't suggest realistic because it always reduces my graphic card performance. Trust me, I have seen through it. Let's keep it for shaded and let's continue with our process. People who want to make a 3D model out of a 2D drawing, this is the best option you can always have. Yes, of course you can go with geometries like box, cylinders and spheres and other geometries, but I suggest you can go with these kind of 2D shapes. Arc, lines, rectangles will be the best option you can go for. So anyways guys, that is it for now today's session. I'll see you on the next session in another good different topic with more interesting lessons. Bye.